Okay, I'm hiking in Turkey Mountain Urban Wilderness. Well, I guess I can't go that way for some reason. Maybe they're building new trails. Who knows? Let's see what's over here. Um, Definitely says it's allowed, I think. Says we're Oklahoma's largest natural stone staircase. But that's the way, all up trail. The other letters underneath is like Choctaw, I think. Anyway, then there's another trail, and there's power lines. This is a clearing for those, and I guess I'll go that way towards the staircase. Anyway, I'm Matthew the Wanderer. Until next time, oink y'all.